Hi guys, today we are going to be playing a little bit um, of Subway Surfers just for the videos, because I need to do videos on my channel or I will not build up. Oh, not a word, yay! Or I just don't, I can't speak, I can't talk. Well, I can talk, but I just can't say that word, because I'm dumb. Let's carry on then, and see if we can get a high score. I don't think we will, because my high score is 91,000. Oh wow. The last episode I didn't do that much of it, because I had my mum coming in for dinner, and I found out a good place to do my videos in the garden. Because in the garden is a nice place to be when it's hot and sunny. I'm thinking about doing a Pokemon Go video soon. I keep saying this, but I'm not doing it yet. Oh yeah, I have hoverboards, that's good. Lay down backwards. I like it when it lays down backwards. Because it looks so cool. He just like falls onto his back. And then, yeah. I know I'll never reach 1,000,000 subscribers like every other YouTuber. Or even now, Outward has 8 million subscribers. I'd love to have 8 million subscribers. I know I'll never get it. I know I probably won't even get 100 subscribers. I need the eye to get the achievement of the thing. It's only going to be around like a 3-minute Subway Surfers. Yeah, that was my brother. My brother just, oh god, said, what are you playing? Just to see what I'm doing. Because my brother likes me, joking, he doesn't really. Well, he does, but he's just annoying most of the time. My GoPro is still not here. Left it around my nan's. That's why I can't do any like Google Feud anything. I'm really bad at Google Feud though. So why would I like to play it? Oh my god, daily achievement completed. We got flip mystery box. I don't need mystery boxes. Who does need a mystery box? Well, people who need them. Oh yeah, I think you should go and subscribe to TNT Gamer. He's a pretty good YouTuber now. He does lots of like cool stuff on his channel, and likes his subscribers, makes his subscribers happy like I want to, but I don't even have any. Oh my god, I'm 24,000 in. Uh-oh. I jinxed that. Wow. I was nearly 25. Could just say we're 25,000 in. I need 125 more of them. I'm only going to do this last run and then end the video. Because I do short videos when, because I like to. Feels better because I can do more videos in a day. Oh god, there's another aeroplane. Yesterday a helicopter came. Today there's an aeroplane. Ouch. Yes, I'm only going to be doing another short video every day, just so I can get like 3 or 4 videos done. I'll probably only do 2, 3, maybe 4 sometimes when I feel like it. When I feel like I want to do 4 videos. Oh god. Yeah, I'm going to end the video here, so see you lot in the next video after I've done it, so bye.